So the change in temperature is what we're going to try to find first, and then we're going to subtract it from freezing to get the new freezing temperature. So delta T of freezing in this case is equal to Kf, is given to you, and the molality we have to figure out by doing a combination of mole divided by kilogram of water. Just FYI, 1 liter of water is equal to 1 kilogram. So in that case, Kf is 1.86 degrees Celsius over molal, and molal is just mole over kilogram, times molality. In this case, molality is 4.0 mole over 2 liter, which we convert to 2 kilogram, because we know 1 liter is 1 kilogram. So the mole over kilogram is what molal is, and we have the delta Tf. So now all you have to do is grab your calculator and go 1.86 times 4 divided by 2, and you get 3.72 degrees Celsius is the change in temperature, but the new freezing temperature.
What?
Oh no, I'm doing video. The new freezing temperature will be 0 minus 3.72 degrees Celsius. The new freezing temperature is negative 3.72. So for this one, we're trying to find what's the new boiling temperature. Remember, water boils normally at 100 degrees, okay? So if it goes up to 102, we know that the delta TB is either 2 degrees Celsius. And what is that equal to? Is equal to KB times molality. So we know it's 2 degrees equal KB, which is given here. And we're trying to find what is the molality. So we know that this is going to be our unknown. Let's call that x, okay? So to get rid of the number in front of x, you divide by itself. What do you do on one side, you do on the other side. And the C cancel, so you have molality equal M, which is what molality is. So now I punch it out. I take 2 degrees divided by 0.51, and the answer is 3.92 molal, which is mole over kilogram of solvent. That's how you do the 2 math question. Now for this one, why is it dangerous? Remember, pure water has nothing dissolved in it. So the water concentration will go where it's the highest, which is the pure water, into your cell, or other thing which is not made of pure water. And what happens when you overinflate anything? So think about that.